Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to put the taskbar on top of your screen on the Windows 11, of course. So the first thing you would like to do is just to go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps. So then the first thing that you would like to do now is just open the Explorer Patcher Gift Hub page. So of course, just type github.com/valdinit/explorer patcher slash releases and hit the enter button. And that should open this page for you. Now you would like to scroll down a bit until you find this assets. And of course, all you need to do now is just go and download this setup.exe. Of course, let's just download it here. And once it downloaded, of course, you will need to open it, of course. Let's just open it, click on yes, and let's just wait a bit now. And as you can see now, my taskbar has been changed. My taskbar now is actually on the style of Windows 10. So now of course I will be able to right click on it and click add properties, and as you can see I will have this taskbar style Windows 10 instead of the Windows 11. And now of course I can change a lot of stuff with it. Of course, once you are at priorities, make sure to select taskbar if you are at another option, and of course you'd like, as we said, to use the taskbar of Windows 10, not the Windows 11. And once you click on Windows 10, go here to this primary taskbar location on the screen and make sure to select the top, and of course just go and restart the file explorer, and you'll need to wait a bit. Again, as you can see, your taskbar now on the top. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.